Good morning, students. The lesson which we are dealing is light. We will have a small recap of what we have learnt in the last class. Which type of lens is known as diverging lens? Yes, it is concave lens. Concave lens or lens which is thinner in the middle than at the edges. Rays of light diverge after passing through concave lens. So they are known as diverging lenses. Which is known as optical center of the lens? The center of the lens is called the optical center of the lens and it is denoted by the letter O. Can you define principal axis of the lens? The line passing through the optical center and perpendicular to the surface of the lens is known as principal axis. This line is known as the principal axis of concave lens and this line is the principal axis of convex lens. Which is the principal focus of convex lens? The principal focus of convex lens is a point on the principal axis to which rays parallel to the principal axis converge. This point is known as the principal focus of the convex lens. Which is the principal focus of a concave lens? The principal focus of a concave lens is a point on the principal axis from which rays parallel to the principal axis appear to diverge. This point is known as the principal focus of a concave lens. In the last class, we did an activity to study the formation of image by the convex lens. And in this video, we will do an activity to study the formation of image by concave lens. Materials required to do this activity are concave lens, lens stand, candle or a pencil and a matchstick. To do this activity, place the object on a table near the wall. Place the lens on a lens stand between the wall and the object as shown in the figure. The object should be about 50 cm from the lens. Adjust the position of the lens to get a clear image of the object on the wall. What do you observe? No image will be formed on the screen. Now, bring the concave lens very close to the object and observe the image of the object through the lens. What kind of image do you see? Now again, take the lens further away from the object and observe the image. You will notice that for all distance of the object, the concave lens forms a diminished, erect and virtual image on the same side of the lens as the object. There are 3 rules for image formation of the lens. Rule 1. For convex lens, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis will pass through the principal focus on the other side of the lens. For concave lens, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis appear to be coming from the principal focus. Rule 2. A ray of light passing through the focus becomes parallel to the principal axis. For concave lens, a ray of light going towards the focus becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. A ray of light passes through the optical center of the lens, goes straight without any deviation for both the lens, that is for the concave and convex lens. Using these three rules, we can draw the ray diagram. Now, we will learn about the nature and the position of the image formed by the concave and convex lens when the object is placed at different position. If the object is placed beyond 2f, we get real, diminished and inverted image between f and 2f. If the object is placed at 2f, we get same sized real and inverted image at 2f. If the object is placed between f and 2f, we get a real, magnified and inverted image beyond 2f. A virtual and magnified image is formed on the same side as the object by a convex lens when the object is placed between f and o. A virtual, erect and diminished image is formed by a concave lens when the object is placed at any position in front of the lens. So, for a convex lens, when an object is placed beyond 2f, a real, inverted and diminished image is formed between f and 2f. And when an object is placed between f and 2f, a real, inverted and magnified image is formed beyond 2f. And when the object is at 2f position, a real, inverted and same sized image is formed at 2f. And when the object is placed between f and o, a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed on the same side as the object. If the lens is concave lens, we get a virtual, erect and diminished image within f on the same side at all positions. So, students, in this video, we learnt about the image formed by concave lens and also about the nature and the position of the image formed by the lenses when they are placed at different position. Thank you.